Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is another book unpacking video. This packet has arrived today. Now I open this packet. There are 3 books in this packet. I bought all this book from Amazon. Now I show you all this book one by one. Let's start. The first book is Think Straight. Change Your Thoughts, Change Your Life by Darius Forax. The second book is Time, Master Your Life. Master Your Time, Master Your Life. The breakthrough system to get more result faster in every area of your life by Brian Tracy, best-selling author of Eat That Frog. And the last of all, Born to Win by Zig Ziglar. Find your success code. Tom Ziglar. Zig Ziglar is the real deal. He is an authentic voice, a light and a life-changing mentor and model for millions by Seth Godin.